Okay, well, first I'd like to think that we probably chose each other, no? Kasi she really wanted it. We really wanted that somebody like her. I think the universe conspired and brought us together, so that's the first thing, no? Next is, she has a good following on social media. We actually follow her, we see her content, and it really connects with what we're trying to show with our brand also. So yeah, those are the two main things. No? Baka Ashley wants to add something then.
Tinigilig na po ako, parang umiiyak na nga ako.
Perfect, by the way.
Happy
Perfect
birthday.
ang ginamit na
Perfect.
Perfect!
Please, pakinote perfect.
Go ahead, Ashley, what can you say about that?
Tama nga naman. Siguro nga, since ako yung nagsabi, diba? Binanifest, like I said, binanifest ko. And I was really specific with what I wanted. And I'm so lucky na napili ako, of course, ng White Castle. Kasi marami namang pwedeng pagpilian. But I'm so lucky that they really trusted me. And hindi ko siya ma-absorb. Honestly, hindi ko ma-absorb. Ang taray, may mga pastani pang ganyan. Like, I can't believe this is all happening. And I feel so flattered. And really, thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Alright.